This is the presentation, and this is where it started. Blank page, nothing prepared earlier. If you build a deck every week, the hard part isn't the slides. It's getting from a vague ask to something you'd put in front of a client. Most of that is decided before you generate anything. A weak brief gives you a weak deck. It'll look fine and say nothing. A strong one names 4 things: who's in the room, what decision they're making, how the argument is structured, and how long it runs. Same tool, same click, different deck. Now you have a first draft. Not a final deck, a first draft. So audit it the way you'd audit a junior's work. Does slide 1 state the point? One idea a slide? Evidence behind each claim? Is the ask on the last slide where someone can act on it? These 2 are weak. The headline is a label, not a finding. I'm leaving them marked. Next, make it look like it came from your company. One action and it looks approved. Same deck, same content, before and after. You have the numbers somewhere already. A sheet, an export, a paste from someone's email. Drop it in and you get a table that's actually readable on a slide. No column widths, no merged cells, no fighting the formatting. Presentations.ai